Hi guys, this is Group Performance in MAPE and we are the Group 2.
Hi everyone! Do you know how our new center hall was made? Come with me as we take a look at how the stage and seats were built from start to finish. First, the ground was laid and leveled to make a strong, even base. Workers used sturdy wood and steel for the stage frame. Then they installed the flooring side, panels, stairs, and rollings to keep everyone safe. The height was also adjusted so everyone can see what is happening on the stage. After the stage, the area was carefully measured to fit all the seats and leave enough walking space. Each seat was drilled and fixed tightly to the floor so it stays steady. They were arranged in the gentle upward slope so even people at the back have a clear view. The roof was built by first installing sturdy support frames and beams. Roofing materials were then secured, followed by proper fitting of edge and gutters to drain water. Everything was inspected to ensure it is strong, safe, and fully protected from weather. And this is the ending of our performance task in MAPE. Thank you for listening.
Morning everyone, we are the Group 4.
My name is Frenchie May and I am your speaker for today.
So, the classroom of grade 8 is donated by Mr. Carlos Chan to YY Marketing Corporation, Oishi, to the good people of Maligaya Integrated School from Barangay Maligaya, City of Cawayan Isabela in under Operation Barrio School, a project of FFCCCII, Foundation INC, Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, INC and Kawayan Filipino, Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, INC, CFCCCII.
Number 1. Pundasyon at struktura. Ito ay pinakamahalaga para maging matibay ang paaralan. Mga kagamitan upang makagawa ng silid-aralan. Number 1, semento. Number 2, buhangin. Number 3, bato o graba. Number 4, kawayang bakal o rebar. Number 5, bloke. Number 6, kawad na pambalot. Number 7, tubig. Number 2, dingding, sahig at kisame. Pamplaster o palitada. Sahig gamit ang semento at buhangin. Kahoy, yero, gypsum board, pintura, at lata ng bintana at pinto. Number 3, bubong at takip. Gamit ang yero, trusses, balangkas, kawayang tubo o kanal, insulasyon o sapin, ay makakagawa tayo ng takip ng bubong. Number 4, pinto, pintana, kandado, bisagra, hawakan, kable, ilaw, saksakan, at iba pa. So, yon yung mga kailangan upang makagawa o makabuo ng classroom o silid-aralan. That's all. Bye!
Good morning, everyone. We are the group 1. I'm Chloe Jane L. Habla. So today, we will talk about our 3 school gates. We will say some details and we will explain how they build and we will explain what is their design. Group 1. I'm Bernalyn. I'm Kate. I'm Rachel.
My name is Nathaniel. My name is Janine.
We'll discuss our main gate first.
We will talk about our school gate. Ito ay gawa sa semento at matibay. Ito naman ay gawa sa bakal. Ito ay may padlock na nagsisilbing pangsara.
Ito ay may mga ilaw na nagsisilbing liwanag tuwing gabi. Ito rin ay may mga PVC designs. Ito rin ay pininturahan ng iba't ibang uri ng kulay, gaya ng light green, brown, blue, navy blue, at iba pang makukulay na kulay. Gawa ito sa iba't ibang uri ng bagay. Hindi lamang ito ginawa upang disenyo, dahil ginawa ito para sa security at privacy ng Maligaya Integrated School main gate.
Tara sa nilang gate.
Ito ay gawa sa metal. Ito ay na matibay na pader.
Ito rin ang mga pinaglumaang mga gate.
Ito ay gawa sa matibay at dekalidad na metal. Ang pader nito ay luma na, ngunit ang gate nito ay mas pinabago at mas pinatibay.
Ito naman ang aming pangatlong gate. Maliit lang pero matibay.
Ang taas nito ay pininturahan ng kulay yellow. Ito rin ay may padlock o lock gaya ng main gate. Alam niyo ba kung bakit sila nagpatayo ng bagong gate? Nagpatayo sila ng bagong gate para sa entrance and exit ng mga high school dito sa Maligaya Integrated School. Ang bawat gate ay pinagdugtong ng bawat matitibay na pader. Ito ang buong itsura ng Old Main Gate sa labas. Ito naman ang itsura ng mga pader sa elementary. Matibay na nga, maganda pa. I love Maligaya IS. Thank you for watching.
Once again, we are the group 6.
Samahan niyo nga pala kami na nagagawa ng maikling video tungkol sa bayanihan o mabilis po. Hi! Ito nga pala si Aika na magsasabi sa inyo kung ano ang ginamit nila dito at ano ang nakaukit.
So ito nga pala kanina ang aming mga binabanggit. Ang mga ito ay gawa sa recycle. Ito ay gamit sa mga bulong, tar, at galba. Dito mo makikita ang galing at ganda ng pagkakagawa ng mga ito. Ang mga ito ay may nakaukit sa loob na kabayanihan. Ito nga pala ang Mabini o Bayanihan Kiosk. Makikita mo dito ang mga Mountain Dew na nagupet-gupet na naging bulaklak. Ang tawag doon ay recycle. Kung makikita mo, ang galing at husay ng pagkakadikit at pagkagagawa dito.